Buenas tardes, good afternoon, and welcome to the PowerPoint presentation on Gustar and similar verbs. Now, we use the verb gustar to describe things that we like. However, it does not have the same English construction. You're not actually saying, I like dogs, I like tacos. What you're saying is that tacos or dogs are pleasing to you. So we conjugate this verb in a different way. It's actually much easier than other verbs because there's only two conjugations. If whatever is pleasing to you is singular, like the book, then you use the singular gusta. If whatever you like or whatever is pleasing to you is plural, like tacos or spaghettis, then you're going to use the plural gustan. Okay, so it's either gusta or gustan. The gustar agrees with the subject of the sentence that follows it. So whatever comes after the verb gustar is what is going to determine whether or not that verb is singular, gusta, or plural, gustan. And then you have to say who this object action is pleasing. And you do that by using a pronoun. The pronouns are me, te, le, nos, os, les. And that describes who this is pleasing or who likes it. This chart will help you better determine who is liking something, okay? So, if I like something, let's just say book. I like the book. Then I use gusta, the singular, okay? And who likes it? Me. I like it. So you use me. So first, basically what you're doing is writing a backwards sentence. You're saying the book, el libro, is pleasing, gusta, to me, me. So what you really do is you write me gusta el libro. And in some situations, you want to specify who really likes it, so you would add in front a and then add whom. So what I want to say right now is I like the book, so I would say a mí me gusta el libro. Let's do this again. You like the beach. A ti, comma, te gusta la playa. Raúl loves to dance, so we would say a Raúl, comma, le gusta bailar. Okay? Let's say we like coffee. A nosotros nos gusta el café or nos gusta café. Either one of those is fine. You don't need the article in that sentence, okay? Vosotros, y'all, okay? So I'm going to say that y'all like the moon. A vosotros os gusta la luna. And then they. Let's say they like the French class, okay? A ellas les gusta la clase de francés. Let's see some more examples. But basically, one more time, if there's a singular noun, you use gusta, and then you use this pronoun to describe whoever the action or object is pleasing. If you want to specify to whom it's pleasing, then you put a and then the name of the person, comma, and then you put the pronoun, then the verb, then the noun, or verb in the infinitive form. Do not conjugate this verb. Gusta is already conjugated, okay? In Spanish, you're not going to hear native Spanish speakers say, a mí me gusta, all the time. More often than not, people like to cut their sentences shorter, so they're just going to say, me gusta, and that's fine. But if you are specifically talking about Paul and John, Pablo y Juan, then you might say, a Pablo y Juan, comma, les gusta la playa. Especially if you're discussing a large group of people and you want to specify that only a few of them like something. I'll show you some more examples right now. Here are some great examples. Pasta, running or to run, dancing, to dance, Tucson, the beach, Spanish class, and coffee. Okay? Coffee, me gusta café. Pasta, me gusta ravioli. Me gusta correr, me gusta bailar, me gusta Tucson. Okay? Now, there is one exception. When we're talking about liking to do certain actions, we always use the verb in the infinitive form. Correr, to run, bailar, to dance, comer, to drink, beber. Oh, beber is to drink, comer, to eat. Okay? We can list a million actions, but because these verbs are in this infinitive form, as they should be, it's always going to be the singular gusta. I'm going to give you an example. I like to dance, to sing, to sleep, and to read. Okay? So I would say, me gusta bailar, cantar, dormir, y leer. Even though I have many actions I like, it's always going to be in the singular, and that's the only exception here. Moving on. Here's how we use the plural of gustar. Okay? If there's a plural noun like the mountains, las montañas, then you use the plural gustan, and you use the appropriate pronoun to match the subject. Say, I like shoes. A mí me gustan los zapatos. Say, you like beers. A ti te gustan las cervezas. Let's say, he likes Pepsi products. You could say, a él le gustan los refrescos Pepsi. Okay? Say, we like cars. Nos gustan los carros. Y'all like birds. Os gustan los pájaros. And Juan and his family, or they, like tacos. A Juan y su familia, les gustan tacos. Okay. Here's some more examples. Some things that I like. Spaghetti. Now, spaghetti is actually plural in Spanish because you're talking about spaghetti noodles. There are more than one. So, me gustan los espaguetis. Dogs, los perros. Me gustan los perros. Books, los libros. Me gustan los libros. Art, science, and math. Me gustan el arte, las ciencias, y las matemáticas. Pardon, this comma is an error. Burp, it's gone. So, here's some more examples. A mí me gusta comer, a Diana le gustan las flores, a nosotros nos gusta la clase de español, a ustedes les gustan los chocolates, a ti te gusta dormir, y a ellos les gusta el café. Okay, as you can see, if the noun is plural, you have the plural gustar, and then the pronoun that corresponds to who it's pleasing. If the noun is singular or a verb in the infinitive form, never conjugate this. Then it is a singular gustar, and then the pronoun to whom it is pleasing. Now, I'm going to have you practice. Please pause this video and take some time, to write down that I like these things. Okay? So, I like to eat, I like to dance. Ready? Let's see how you did. Did you get that correct? I hope so. Moving on. There are many verbs that actually do the exact same thing as gustar, in that they conjugate only to a singular form or to a plural form, like aburrir, to bore, okay? Because something bores someone, right? That's what you're really saying when you're saying, I'm bored of this class. So, aburrir conjugates to aburre and aburren, okay? Agradar, to please, fascinar, fascinate. So let's just say, stars fascinate us. You would say, nos fascinan las estrellas. Okay? You can memorize these later. There's so many of them, which is great because these are very easy. They conjugate to the singular or plural, and then they have the pronoun that corresponds. Here's some great examples of these other verbs and how they conjugate just like gustar. Sorry. Me aburre la clase de ciencias. Science class bores me. Me parece bien. That seems good to me. Okay. Te apetece comer. Does eating appeal to you? Nos sobra la comida. Comida singular. Sobrar is singular, sobra. And then it's left over for us. The food is left over for us. We have leftovers. Nos sobra la comida. And then, of course, dogs. Los perros is plural, so encantar is plural, encantan. And then to whom do they please? Raúl y Juan. A Raúl y Juan les encantan los perros. I hope this is helpful for you and that you understood it without problems. Feel free to contact me via email if you need any more additional help or activities. Gracias, que tengan muy buen día. Have a great day.